Say hello to the Glow with Pride Watermelon Pore-Tight Toner. This is a limited edition for Pride Month, of course, and it has a beautiful rainbow. Now let's open it up. I'm gonna pour a little bit on the hand, press and pat into the skin. In your skincare routine, you would cleanse first, which we have already done, and then you'll go in with the toner like so. It layers well with products going on it, and honestly, it just feels so hydrating and like refreshing and like yummy on the skin, and it just leaves like a nice beautiful glow and decongest the pores. Some of the ingredients include hyaluronic acid, cactus water. There's also BHAs in here, which I love, which is going to help with any decongested skin, large pores, and blackheads. And what's amazing about this is that 100% of the profits will be donated globally to LGBTQIA+ youth organizations. It just makes it that much more extra exciting, and the give back component is amazing. You can get it at Sephora, girl.